Accounting is an interesting smart career choice that requires too much focus and attention to detail, as it deals with numbers making sure accounts balance. Accounting also is a process of recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting business transactions, and also interpreting their effect on the affairs of a company. Accounting have two types, which is financial accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting is produce financial statement for the benefit of external parties, whether management accounting is produce financial report to be used by the management of the company. Next, financial statements are a set of high-level reports that summarize an organization's financial performance, financial condition, and cash flow. The income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows are among them. So, an accounting is an interestingly smart career choice which has so many advantages in the job market. There is, however, need to focus and work hard in the accounting industry because there is the use of numbers which, when mistakes are made, may cause problems in the financial statements presented. Journal of Noah Business. Start at 1 October 2020. Start a business with 80,000. For account cash, 80,000 for debit. In account capital, 80,000 for credit. In 3 October, bought goods 20,000 credit. In account purchase, 20,000 for debit. In account creditors count, 20,000 in credit. 4 October, sold goods 25,000 to Dash. For account debtors Dash, 25,000 for debit. In account sales, 25,000 for credit. In 5 October, purchase goods 25,000 cash. In account purchase, 25,000 for debit. In account cash, 25,000 for credit. In 7 October, sales goods 15,000 cash. In account cash, 15,000 for debit. In account sales, 15,000 for credit. In 9 October, return goods 2,000 to call. For account creditors call, 2,000 for debit. In account purchase return, 2,000 for credit. In 10 October, bought furniture, 15,000 cash. In account furniture, 15,000 for debit. In account cash, 15,000 for credit. 11 October, paid call, 12,000 cash. In account creditors call, 12,000 for debit. In account cash, 12,000 for credit. In 12 October, goods returns, Dash 3,000. For account sales return, 3,000 for debit. For account debtor Dash, 3,000 for credit. In 14 October, personal use, 3,000. In account drawings, 3,000 for debit. For account purchase, 3,000 for credit. In 15 October, receive cash from Dash, 12,000. In account cash, 12,000 for debit. In account debtor Dash, 12,000 for credit. In 16 October, took loan from Mike, 30,000. In account bank, 30,000 ringgit for debit. In account loan Mike, 30,000 for credit. In 17 October, pay salary, 5,000 cash. In account salary, 5,000 for debit. In account cash, 5,000 for credit. In 18 October, bought stationery, 1,000 cash. In account stationery, 1,000 for debit. In account cash, 1,000 for credit. In 19 October, paid to Mike on loan 18,000 cash. In account loan Mike 18,000 for debit. In account bank 18,000 for credit. In 20 October, receive interest 4,000 cash. In account interest 4,000 for debit. In account cash 4,000 for credit.
Ledger of Noah business. For the cash account, the balance in debit at November 1 is 41,000 ringgit. Next, the capital account. The balance for capital account in November 1 in debit is 80,000 ringgit. And the purchase account balance in credit is 57,000 ringgit. The balance for debtor account in debit is 6,000 ringgit. And debtor cash account, the balance is 25,000 ringgit as well. Next, sales account. The balance for both debit and credit, the amount total is 40,000 ringgit. For the purchase return account, the balance are 2,000 ringgit in debit and credit. Furniture account, the balance is 15,000 ringgit, and sales return account, the balance is 3,000 ringgit. For the drawing account, the balance in debit is 3,000 ringgit, and the bank account, the balance is 30,000 ringgit. For the loan Mike account, the balance for November 1 in debit is 3,000 ringgit, and salaries account is 5,000 ringgit. Stationery account of the balance in November 1 is 1,000 ringgit, and the interested account in November 1 is 4,000 ringgit.
Okay, we will continue with Business Noah Trial Balance as at 31 October 2020. For capital account is 80,000 in credit, cash account 41,000 in debit, purchase account 54,000 in debit, creditor account 6,000 in credit, debtor dash 10,000 in debit, sales 40,000 in credit, purchase return 2,000 in credit, furniture 15,000 in debit, sales return 3,000 in debit, drawing 3,000 in debit, bank 30,000 in debit, loan Mike 30,000 in credit, salaries 5,000 in debit, stationery 1,000 in debit, interest 4,000 in credit. For total is 162,000 for all.
This is our company income statement. Next, we move to the financial statement. Okay, for the financial statement, our company do the Noah business. Statement of financial position as at 31st October 2020. As you can see at this slide, the asset we have two categories, which is fixed asset and current asset. For fixed asset, for furniture, this is 15,000, and for the current asset, we resolve to three categories, which is cash, debit, and bank. For the cash, is 41,000. For the debit is 10,000, and for the bank is 30,000. When the fixed asset plus the current asset, the total is 81,000. That is for current and fixed asset. And for the current liabilities, we reserve for two categories, which is creditor and loan. For the creditor is 6,000 and for the loan is 30,000. When we plus the both of them will equal to 36,000. And next we move to financial capital at 1 November 2020, which is 80,000 and the net loss is 17,000. When we minus both of them, equal to 63,000, and then we minus to 3,000 and the total is 60,000.
The usefulness balance sheet statement. The term balance sheet refers to a financial statement that reports a company asset, liability, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time. Balance sheet also provide the basic for computing rates of return for investors and evaluating a company capital structure. Balance sheet can be used with other important financial statements to conduct fundamental analysis or calculating financial ratio. Balance sheet equation can be stated as follows: asset equal to liability plus owner equity. The purpose of a balance sheet is to give interested parties an idea of the company financial statement, in addition to displaying what the company owns and owes. It is important that all investors know how to use, analyze, and read a balance sheet. A balance sheet may give insight or reason to invest in a stock.
Usefulness, profit and loss. The profit and loss statement is one of the three most important financial statements that reflect any company's performance and financial standing over a period of time. The other two statements are the cash flow statement and the balance sheet. Thus, the profit and loss statement can be prepared monthly to quarterly and annually is the common trend in the industry. The statement records and summarizes all the income and expenditure of a company over the desired time period. The resultant figure is the net income or loss earned by the company. Revenue and expenses are matched in the trading and profit and loss account to obtain the gross and net profit. Example, revenue, expenses and profits. Importance of profit and loss statement. Decision making, meeting statutory obligation and funding requirement formalities.
As we can see in content, the connection in accounting as Noah business has suffered a loss of 17,000 ringgit Malaysian on 31 October 2020. So he has to start his business for November with minus 17,000 ringgit Malaysian. That is at 60,000 ringgit Malaysian. Noah business lose maybe because of wrong demand forecasting, unsuitable choice of product mix, efficiency of product planning, incorrect market research method and promotion, as well as bad sales administration. So he should do more research to grow his business. If he just leave it as it is, his business will probably fall for the next few years.